Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to download and install Hitman 3 Starter Pack on your PS4 or PS5 console. Hitman 3 Starter Pack is available for free from March 30th to April 5th. It is available. You can download and install it. But if you search right on PlayStation Store on PS4 console or PS5 console, the Hitman 3 Starter Pack will not be available. It is very difficult to search Hitman 3 Starter Pack. But Hitman 2 Starter Pack is available, but Hitman 3 still it is not available. To download the Hitman 3 Starter Pack, use your mobile or computer. For example, I have opened the browser on computer. On the PlayStation Store, right, I'll be providing the link, direct link in the description, so you can take it. So this is actual game. Don't see this, just scroll down. Because you have to pay this. This is buying option. Just scroll down and you can see this free starter pack. That is 2 free starter pack. I don't know what is that. Simply you can tap this add to library. Just open PS app on your mobile, whether it can be Android or iPhone. Just search it, Hitman 3. You can see the starter pack. Sorry. Yeah, you can see the bundle here, Hitman 3 starter pack. So you need to search like that, or just put Hitman 3 on search box. You can see these options. Just log in with your user ID and password on your PS app. Then add to library. Now I have added this Hitman 3. I'm using PS5 console and PS4 console. That's why it's showing PS5. If you have PS4, right, by default it will be there. Directly you can tap download to console. But I'm going to verify. Once you have added to library, right, you can visit your PlayStation console to download that. Now I'm going to verify the library, start library and purchased item, right? You can see this Hitman 3. This is just a starter pack. I'm going to tap this Hitman 3. You need not to have PS Plus subscriptions to play Hitman 3 starter pack. So you can see that here. So I'm going to just tap download. That's it. Now it started downloading. So it started downloading now. The same way you can install this Hitman 3 starter pack on PS5 console as well. The method are same. Even right, you can use the browser as well. You can use the browser and you can tap this add to library. Add to library. Simple. This is purchased. So that's it friends, this is the way you can download and install Hitman 3 starter pack on your PS4 or PS5 console. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.